Hey everyone, it's Julie. Hope everyone's having a great day today. Today I will be discussing the inflammatory foods you should be avoiding. Don't forget to subscribe, like it, share it, comment, love it. Inflammation is linked to the most common diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, arthritis, Crohn's, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Here is a list of inflammatory foods that you should stay away from or at least minimize your consumption. Refined carbohydrates, so basically anything made with white flour, including bread and pasta, fried foods, red meat, which is beef, lamb, and pork, processed meat, so pepperoni, sausage, hot dogs, added sugar, so sucrose and high fructose corn syrup, trans fat, margarine, shortening, things of that nature, artificial sweeteners, like the one in diet soda, sugar-free ice cream and juice, I can't even pronounce that, aspartame and sucralose. Oh my God, I can't pronounce that. Processed foods made with soybean oil, corn oil, sunflower oil, cottonseed oil, and peanut oil. Saturated fats, whole fat dairy or lard. Artificial preservatives and additives like emulsifiers and dyes. Processed snacks and desserts, cookies, crackers, and chips. High sodium foods such as canned soups and deli meat. And nightshade fruits and vegetables, tomatoes, potatoes, eggplants, and peppers. I do believe that you can indulge for a day or two, but it's best to stay away from all of these inflammatory foods. I hope you all learned something new today, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.